How to clean a Samsung WindFree air conditioner. Have you wondered how to properly clean and maintain the panel and filters of your Samsung WindFree air conditioner? Let's walk through disassembling and cleaning your WindFree wall-mounted air conditioner to keep it performing at its best. Step 1. Turn off the power. Unplug the indoor unit's power plug from the wall outlet. Step 2. Remove the filters, WindFree panel, and airflow blade. First, hold both sides of the upper cover on the indoor unit and lift it upward. Once open, the cover will stay in place with the support holder. Slightly lift the fine dust filter and PM 1.0 filter inside the cover, then pull them out one by one to remove them. Please note that filter specifications and structures may vary by model. Next, hold the grooves on the left and right sides of the WindFree panel and pull one side toward you to remove it. Lower the airflow blade to open it, then release the center of the blade from the fixing slot. Hold both ends of the airflow blade and gently bring them inward to remove it. Step 3. Clean the components. Use a vacuum cleaner or a soft brush to remove dust from the fine dust filter, airflow blade, and WindFree panel. If they are heavily soiled, lightly wash them under running water. For the PM 1.0 filter, dissolve a neutral detergent in lukewarm water and soak the filter for about 30 minutes. Gently shake it up and down to clean it thoroughly. After cleaning, place the airflow blade and WindFree panel at an angle and let them dry completely in the shade. Allow the PM 1.0 filter to dry completely for at least 12 hours before use. Step 4. Reassemble the components. Insert both ends of the airflow blade into the grooves, then attach the center of the airflow blade to the fixing slot. Next, align the left and right sides of the WindFree panel with the lower fixing parts and push it into place. Then press the upper and lower center areas so there are no gaps. Insert the PM 1.0 filter by hooking it onto the retaining tabs first, then push it in. Insert the fine dust filter as well, making sure it is properly fitted onto the retaining tabs. Lastly, pull the cover support forward and close the cover to complete reassembly. Step 5. Check product operation. Plug in the power cord and run the air conditioner to check whether the airflow blade moves properly. Follow this simple cleaning routine to enjoy a healthier and cooler summer.